Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to inoculate mushroom logs. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, comment down below, share with everyone you know, and if you could, please donate with the channel. There will be a link in the description. Alright, let's go.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, today we're inoculating mushroom logs, as Emmy said. And today we're doing oyster mushrooms. Pahu is the name of the variety that we're doing. We already have some of the logs already done. We have 10 logs out here that we did already. So what we need to do... Come on, Tessie. Come on, honey. Come on, Toby. Okay, so it's kind of a rainy day here, and we're doing oyster pahu mushrooms. We're using sawdust spawn, and then we're using the inoculation tool to put that sawdust spawn in the logs, and that's what Walker's working on. And we're also doing shiitake mushrooms. We have 3 different varieties. We got bellwether, bolka, shiitake mushrooms, and the WR46, the one that everyone recommends. So we've been wanting to do mushrooms for a number of years now, but we thought it was very difficult and hard to do and whatnot, but actually it's not that difficult. I'm going to go ahead and drill some logs here. We want to drill them on about 6-inch spacing, and then we want to move over 2.5 inches to make like a diamond pattern on them. It's very, very easy, and the drill bit is it's kind of scary as fast as it goes in. We have it on a right angle grinder. I had it on a Milwaukee grinder, but my brand new Milwaukee grinder had a bearing go out of it. Everybody seems to like Milwaukee tools, but I've never had much luck with them, I'll tell you. This here right angle grinder is a DeWalt grinder that I've had this thing for 15 years, and the only thing I ever did to it is replace the extension cord on it because I cut it off with a right angle, or cut it off with a cotton wheel. But this here's the drill bit that we're using. This baby's wicked sharp and wicked fast. It's almost scary. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do a log here. Also, I wanted to show you my table. Everybody builds a specific table just for mushrooms, and we're not doing enough. We're only going to do like 100, 130 logs, somewhere in that neighborhood, maybe not even that many, whatever 4 bags of mushroom spawn gets us. But I just took a 1x6 and put 5-inch wheels on it, notched it, bolted them on there, and it works really well. So I'm going to go ahead and drill this. Okay, that's all it takes to drill all those holes in that.
That maybe takes 1 minute.
Maybe. Maybe. Our bottleneck is putting the spores into the logs. That's our bottleneck.
Yeah.
And I'll take over that job from Walker here in a little bit. For this oyster mushrooms, we use quake and aspen, or aspen wood, in order to inoculate. And then our shiitake mushrooms, will inoculate them with oak. Yeah, we have black oak, white oak, and some red oak, I believe. We already have those cut. And we're going to go ahead and we'll get this done today. Okay, that's all of them.
Yep.
That's all the ones I think we're gonna do. I don't know. We'll see how it does here. another thing that I was thinking about here, with these mushroom logs, we seal the holes, and Emmy's going to start that here as soon as Walker gets this done. We seal the holes with soy wax, I think beeswax or any kind of wax, paraffin wax, whatever will be suitable. And we cut our logs 4 feet long. The recommendation is 36 to 40 inches. We cut ours 4 feet long. We're going to put them in an A-frame pattern. We'll show you that whenever we go, when they start pinning. We'll just stack them up like we had them out there and put them in a shady, damp area. That way the logs don't dry out, and because these are basically a living thing, so of course they need water, and so we'll get them done.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video on us growing our
Pohu oyster mushrooms.
And we'll do more videos on mushroom logs. The oyster mushrooms, we should have mushrooms in 4 to 8 months, somewhere in that neighborhood. And then the shiitakes, from my understanding, it takes a little bit longer. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Alright. Please subscribe, like, comment down below, smash that notification bell, share with everyone you know, and if you could, please donate to the channel. Link in the description. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Bye!
So long.
Bye.